Same zebra shades. Same alignment. 2 different homes in Wellington. That's not luck, that's process. Before anything goes up, the setup matters. How it's unboxed, positioned, and mounted determines how it performs once it's installed.
These big ones, we like to use 4 clips to where it'll be nice and tight up there. And then we also like to be extra safe to where we'll do security screws on the side.
At 110 inches, this becomes a full-length system. At this scale, size alone starts to matter. As shades get longer, weight becomes harder to balance evenly. That imbalance can create waves in the fabric and subtle bending across the system, which affects how straight the shade hangs and rolls. Breaking the shade into panels spreads the weight out. That keeps everything balanced and working smoothly. When it's planned correctly, the shades line up perfectly.
But even if it's under 110 and you wanted to do 3, we could do 3 to where instead of 1, you can have a panel here, a panel here, and a panel here. So that's always an option. But yes, if you want 1 panel, the longest it could go is 110.
Planned correctly, the result is clean, consistent alignment.